Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna start getting this thing ready and prepped for a new motor. I cannot get this one undone. It's still stuck, so I'm gonna have to pull the whole front end off, and I gotta replace the driver's side fender anyways. The bumper's trashed, the grill's trashed, so this is a good time to get in there, get all that removed, get the engine removed, get the new engine in. Might as well put new motor mounts in it, and whatever else we can do. So let's get started. All right, so here's where I'm at. I had my son help me take the hood off, and then I kind of just started with the front grille and then worked my way over. Grill is completely trashed. Just look at that. I mean, you can see it. They're trashed. There's the windshield wiper fluid bottle, trashed. Bumper's trashed. I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's a cross member right here. And I will be replacing that with a complete fabricated one that is definitely going to be stronger and a lot better for being lowered. Sorry about the dogs. They just like to bark for no reason. But here's the engine if you haven't seen it yet. It's a little 305. It ain't nothing big, but it ain't doing anything now. So it's time to go. There's the wiring harness for all the lights. So there's that, and the windshield wipers. So, and then here's the reason why I need to replace the front fender. This fender's been hit. It shoved the whole front end over. So when it shoved the whole front end over, it did a bunch of damage. Everything's fixable. So let's get started, and I'll see you on the next update. All right, let's see where we're at. So got the bumper off. Start off with the driver's side. Had to turn the light out, turn the light off. Got the piece that goes across there. Got all of the driver's side inner fender and fender off. This and this is what was inside of it. Kind of gross. But that's why we're getting it apart. So be a lot easier to do the front suspension also. So that's another reason why. And to get this thing out of here, because it is complete junk. So, all right, see you tomorrow. All right, so here's where we're at. So we got the whole front end doghouse completely torn apart. Access to the engine, access to the front suspension to get it lowered. Any rust, anything that we can fix while we're here. This part is on its way. front cross member. Seems like every time I take some apart, truck just gets more and more issues. Basically the front grill support, radiator support is basically gone. This whole side on the passenger side was rusted out, so it's no good. Want to buy another one and go from there. Alright, so let's finish up this video here real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so if you made it this far into the video, please like, subscribe, hit the share button, comment. I want to hear what you guys think. How I'm doing, how bad I'm doing, what you guys want to see. I have trailers back here. I have more golf cart stuff. I can work on this a lot more. I have, there's other stuff we could do. I just bought a sandblaster from Harbor Freight, so we could do a video on that. Let me know what you guys think, and I could do that. So I will see you guys next time on BHM Garage. Later.